Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to Empowering SMEs. Understanding business is corporate governance. Directors of small, medium-sized companies, committee members of not-for-profits, charities and sporting organisations need an overall understanding of business to carry out their duties. An understanding of business is what corporate governance relates to. Many directors and committee members do not fully appreciate the wide range of items that they are legally responsible for once they are appointed a director or a committee member. And it is this awareness and understanding of directors' key role and responsibilities that we are trying to articulate through the series of webinar workshops on corporate governance. The webinar workshops will look at the key issues relative to an understanding of business so that directors or committee members can confidently perform their roles. An understanding of issues like the law, whether it's the Corporations Act, environmental laws, Privacy Act, structures of organisations, whether it's a proprietary company, a crowdsourced funding company, an early stage innovation company. Taxation affects all of us, but there are some harsh penalties for company directors if some taxation payments are not paid. Board of directors or committee meetings, processes, declaration of interests, recording of motions, assembling of board reports. And this also involves the company secretary's role. A very important person in an organisation is the company secretary. Having an understanding of financial matters is very important for a director or a committee member to be able to perform their duties. That doesn't mean that you have to be able to prepare the financial accounts, but you do need to be able to read and analyse those accounts and know what message is being conveyed via them. Workplace health and safety, understanding the regulations, making sure you make sufficient inquiries of your managing director or CEO that the appropriate systems have been implemented so that your organisation complies with the workplace health and safety rules. Marketing and selling. There is no business unless there's a sale. And to make a sale, there normally needs to have been marketing activities. And marketing embraces a lot of different issues. Social media, newsletters, websites, media releases, brochures should all conform to an overall concept. And you might include videos like these as part of the marketing strategy of your company or organisation. And then it is very important that an organisation has a clearly defined sales mechanism, because sales need to be made to keep the cash flow moving. Funding. There are government grants, there are non-government grants. Companies can raise capital as early stage innovation companies, crowdsourced funding companies, or utilising Section 708 of the Corporations Act. So directors need to have an understanding of the funding options that are available to their organisation. Risk management, insurance covers, personal property securities register awareness as to which of your organisation's assets are potentially at risk if they are not registered on the government's Personal Property Securities Register. And then having a general appreciation of the other areas of risk that pertain to your company or organisation. Market. What's happening in the market? Are new competitors coming to town? Has one of your competitors appointed a new board of directors or a new CEO? What changes do you expect to occur from these changes? What effect will this have on your company or organisation? Shareholders and members. Many companies have shareholders agreements. Are you aware of what's in that agreement? Is the spirit of the agreement being implemented? Is there appropriate communications being conveyed to shareholders and members? Are you fully utilising the power of the internet by the website that your organisation or company has? Having a members only area that the access must be by password and username so that you can be communicating with your shareholders or members throughout the year. Planning, your business plan or strategic plan, budgets and cash flow forecasts. What is the organisation trying to achieve? Have they developed a 3-year or 5-year plan? And most importantly, people or team members. Are the directors aware of the Fair Work Australia requirements? Have appropriate human resources systems been implemented? Is there reports submitted back to the board of directors or committee on a regular basis as to what is happening with the team? The Corporate Governance Network that is to be presented by ESS Small Business will assist company directors and officers of not-for-profits, charities and sporting organisations have a better understanding of business as it relates to corporate governance on an overall basis. The workshop webinars will feature presentations by a number of expert presenters in various subjects: marketing, sales, human resources, workplace health and safety, debtors management, budgets and cash flow forecasts, leadership. The workshop webinars will be presented in 8 90-minute sessions commencing on the 25th of July. For more information, please go to www.esssmallbusiness.com.au and click on Corporate Governance Network, and you will be able to review a full summary of what's going to be presented within the Corporate Governance Network. I'd like to invite you now to attend a free preview webinar to be held on either Wednesday the 20th of June at 12 noon AEST or Tuesday the 2nd of July at 12 noon AEST. You can come to one or to both of those free webinars. Why not invite your co-directors or co-committee members of your organisation to join us for this free overview so that you get a better understanding of how we are going to present this very important information relating to all things about a business, because that is what corporate governance is. Have a great day. Goodbye.